Hello there everyone watching this video. Myself Abhinav Santosh. I'm a student at Marwadi University and today I'll be explaining you about the respiratory centers of our body. So what do you understand by respiratory centers? So respiratory centers are brain regions that control respirating by regulating the rhythm and depth of respiration. These centers are located in the medulla oblongata and pons of the brainstem. Specifically, they include the dorsal and ventral respiratory groups in the medulla and the pontine respiratory group in the pons, which further includes the pneumotoxic and apneic centers. Key components of respiratory centers. There are majorly three main respiratory centers. These are the DRG, VRG and PRG, which stands for dorsal respiratory group, ventral respiratory group and pontine respiratory group. The DRG is primarily responsible for inspiration located in the dorsal medulla. VRG involved in both inspiration and expiration located in the medulla, where PRG includes the pneumatic centers and apneic centers located in the pons. Moving on and discuss the functions of respiratory rhythm. The basic and first is rhythm generation. The respiratory rhythm is generated in the medulla, particularly by neurons in the VRG. Inspiration and expiration control. The DRG and VRG regulate the activity of inspiratory and expiratory muscles. Now moving on to the breathing rate and depth regulation. So basically it is the pontine respiratory group which helps modulate the respiratory rate and depth. The sensory input integration. The respiratory centers receive input from sensory receptors like chemoreceptors and mechanoreceptors that monitor blood pH, oxygen and carbon dioxide levels. The alveolar ventilation. The brainstem respiratory centers adjust the breathing pattern to maintain normal blood gas and pH levels. Now, in essence, the respiratory centers act as the central nervous system's control panel for breathing, ensuring proper gaseous exchange and maintaining homeostasis in the body. Thank you and have a nice day.